Hello everyone, I'm here today with Roberto from Sustainable Tradies. Roberto, what problem do you solve for your clients?
Usually, there is people that started a renovation a year ago and, a year later they still have like a hole in the roof and a hole in the wall and a hole in the floor, and you gotta do all these different trades. So it gets a bit complicated for them, to get all these tradies to do all these different jobs when it's not such a big job. It can become really complicated. So usually people come and say, can you do the whole thing? Because that's what I offer. I offer a number of services. That's one way. The other way is people, they have all these materials there waiting to be used, and because I offer this thing of reusing materials, people say, I got all that jar there, I want to make these steps, I want to make this fence, and say, yeah, no worries, we'll use what you got.
Because most tradesmen don't want to touch salvaged or secondhand material.
It's a mission, like nothing is stray, you got to overwork it, and it's just labor intensive, very labor intensive. So you got to be patient, you got to be flexible.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And why would there are lots of renovation companies, why would someone want to hire you as opposed to another renovation company?
The concept that I'm offering, it's quite clear with the name of Sustainable Tradies. So that already filters a lot of mainstream people out. So the people that contact me, they already understand what I'm offering. I'm offering something, I'm mixing, the environment with sustainability and with the building. So I'm mixing those three things.
Right, and there's not many other people, so they really can't get that anywhere else. It's very specialized. That willingness to work.
There is, that willingness and that flexibility, that adaptability, that heaps of patience you need to have.
But the end result is something with beauty and character.
Yeah, lots of character. Something that you can't buy in the shops anymore.
Yeah. What's something aside from your work that you're passionate about?
I'm a keen surfer. I love surfing. I love nature. I love camping. I love to play djembe drums next to a fire. Yeah, and I'm passionate about my kids. I got 2 boys, and they're beautiful boys, and they told me a lot about life and how to deal with patience and emotions and communication skills.
All those skills that transfer really well to clients.
I'm basically, teaching them that life is fun, life is worth it, and
Thanks everyone. That's Roberto. I really like what he does. I think it fills a great need in our society, and check out his work. I think you'll like it a lot.